everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aisha. In today's video, I wanted to share with you how I organize my makeup collection. I want to convert my makeup into more of a minimalist makeup. I got a new desk behind me and I have those pull-out drawers. I've seen so many people put makeup in their drawers and make it look super less and clean and minimalist. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I used to love to collect makeup in the past, but recently I've just been kind of using the same makeup. I know what works for me, I know what products I like, and I just kind of want to have less and not so much makeup. But I'm going to transition this video into showing you what's in my makeup collection, kind of talk about it a little bit. So we're gonna get started with this video and I'll see you guys in the next clip.
So this is my makeup collection. This is where I keep all my makeup. I thought about getting those Alex drawers, but I haven't gotten one. And I'm kind of glad that I didn't get one because then that just makes me want to just store more makeup. I got this from, I believe, Walmart. This is all my palettes, my brushes. I keep like my lipsticks, things like that in these little glass containers. And I have all my makeup in these little containers. I got these from Dollar Tree. This is currently what I use at the moment. I just kind of dump everything that I use. Instead of having to come and pull out each drawer, pick up the makeup that I want to use, I just keep everything in here. Here I just have kind of like things that I don't really use. Have my nail polish organizer. So my plan is to kind of clear out as much as I can from this drawer, take this and organize it in here. So I'm going to transition you guys to my desk. So this is my beautiful desk. I'm so excited I found this. I got this from Target yesterday and my husband put it together. It's pretty easy. All the shelves here are already like installed when you buy it, so you don't have to do all this work. You just have to just install the legs, install this on top of the legs, and that's it. So it's really fast and easy. I know I didn't do it, but I was watching my husband put it together and I saw this that was already attached with everything else. If you lift it up, you can put plugins. It has a USB plug-in and it's really cool because I can charge my iPad. This thing dies all the time. It's not a new iPad, so I'm constantly having to charge it, and it's just nice that I can charge it through here.
Settling down, falling in love, not falling out. I keep on falling in. Each of us both done in the crown, a crown, a crown, a crown, a king and a queen. beginning. Called it. We knew that there had to be us. Knew that there had to be us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning, winning. The fuss and the fights will keep and trust. And you make me wanna say, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same, the same, the same, the same. Hey, I love you better today than yesterday. Every day is gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing as one, not growing apart. Apart. Say what we mean, say it from the heart. From the heart. Wrinkles and grays, don't be alarmed, because you're safe with me. They're beautiful signs of our story so far, so far. Both called it from the beginning.